So good evening to all. Hope you are doing great. So in this video, we'll be discussing about Subex share. So we know that today the stock has performed very well and it has closed near the 69 rupees level with almost a 20% positive movement. So previously when I have done the complete analysis near the 57 rupees region, we have seen what are the major levels that we need to focus, and especially I told how the accumulation is happening in this particular stock, especially near the 56 and 57 rupees region. So on regular basis we discuss about Subex. So whenever any update is released, whether it may be related to Hypersense or whether it may be related to ESOPs, that is Employee Stock Option Exchange, and in the same way whenever any update comes, I try to post in Telegram, followed by I also do a separate video so that you will also have the complete clarity. So make sure you have joined the Telegram group, because in Telegram only I'll try to update the maximum updates, followed by all the stocks for short term, followed by long term. So I'll provide link in the comment section. So before that, if you're new to the channel, then definitely subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon to get instantly notified. Okay, so when we go to the delivery section and if we see the day-to-day wise how the deliveries have been taken, so you can see on 2nd July we have seen 26.8% deliverables, and you can also see the stock has given only 2.2% positive movement. But if you go a little bit down and you can see the stock almost consolidated 3 days, you can see it has not given any major upside nor downside, and it was moving in a flat range of 0.7 to 0.2%. So it completely signifies that there itself little accumulation was present, and as usual clearly I told to many people who are holding from low levels to hold it, and fresh entry also have told 56-57 rupees region would be very important. So I think many people have taken the position. So now since it has approached the very crucial region of 69, so what we'll try to do the complete technical analysis and we'll see what can be the next set of targets. Okay, so now we are back onto the technical charts, and you can see this is the 1 week chart of Subex. So we know after a very good breakout that was seen in the stock, so it has given some continuous momentum. So after going to the all-time high of that is 67 in that particular region, we have seen correction earlier, but again it has come to retest the support. So after having a very good retest, so it has started bouncing back. So clearly I tell, if you miss the opportunity at the top levels, let's say in this region, so you'll get another chance, that is retest. So there you can have a fresh entry. So it has almost gone to even 53 rupees region. So there you would be having a very good choice of entry, and if you enter there also, you can see now you will be having some very good profit. So that is the way you need to analyze. So once you're missing at the top side, so try to buy at the retest. So that would be some benefited. And if you're already taken at high levels, then you can average at the retest. So in both the ways, you can ultimately reduce your average price and you can enter into the profit zone. So this is the 1 week chart. So now since it has come near the 69 rupees region, so you can take 70 as a important region. So after 70, you can watch for the 75 rupees region. So these are going to be the next levels. So that is in the coming sessions, we need to focus them. Okay, so when we go down and see money flow index, so that is near 80. So not completely in overbought, only slightly it has entered that region. So tomorrow we need to observe what the stock will do. So will it continue in that overbought region or not? So now let's switch out to daily chart. Okay, so now we are back onto the daily chart time frame, and you can see when the stock has approached the 50-day exponential moving average. So clearly you can see that it has approached that region, it has given a bounce back. So simple, not much complicated. So that's why I don't complex the charts with over indicators. So more than 2 indicators are enough. So one is MFI, second one moving averages. If you want to have a double confirmation, so then you can use the pivots. So more than enough. So don't try to overcomplicate it. So once you understand the price action, easily you can do the swing trade. So here you can see the 50 exponential moving average has become very important. So next support is going to be 65. So this is going to be very important. So that was earlier a resistance for the stock. So now it will become the support. So targets wise, you can expect 74. If everything goes well, if it crosses the 70 rupees region, we can expect 74. Okay, money flow index still near 64. It may also show the potential. So once that also starts increasing, so definitely it will approach the target zone. Support is very important, 65. So make sure you're putting that into radar. So further, if any doubts, you can ask in the comment section, and also you can connect with me in Instagram. Instagram ID is StocksDerivIT. So until then, stay safe, take care, bye bye.